Kilo Code versus Augment Code versus Cline. Which AI coding assistant is better? Let's start with Kilo Code. Kilo Code is an open source, community driven AI coding agent for VS Code that combines the best of Cline and Root and adds powerful new features like multi-mode workflows, architect code and debug, auto deploying agents, and model flexibility. Augment Code is built for large, evolving code bases. It boasts real-time branch-aware indexing up to 200,000 token context, multimodal support, screenshots, Figma, and Slack, and enterprise-grade security like ISO and IEC certified. Cline is a simpler open-source VS Code agent focused on code debugging, performance optimization, and improving maintainability. And now for the feature showdown. In terms of context awareness, Kilo Code has real-time code context memory and agent orchestration. Augment Code has branch-aware indexing, large project support, and multimodal support. Cline has basic context via VS Code. In terms of workflow modes, Kilo Code has architect, code debug, and orchestrator mode. For Augment Code, it has chat-driven edits, next edit guidance, and Slack integration. For Cline, it has debugging and refactoring focus. In terms of security or enterprise features, Kilo Code has open source no vendor lock-in. Augment Code has ISO certified real-time indexing and proof of possession security, and Cline has community-driven limited enterprise focus. And lastly, extensibility and customization. Kilo Code supports many models, MCP Marketplace, and fully customizable. Augment Code has a less customizable closed model but powerful indexing. Cline is less customizable but simpler and lightweight. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Kilo Code is fully open source and highly extensible with no vendor lock-in. It supports powerful agent workflows and context awareness coding and community-first development, transparent pricing, and fast iteration. However, it may feel complex for new users due to its rich feature set. And now for Augment Code. Its pros include having best-in-class context understanding, branch-aware in real time. It is enterprise-ready with ISO certification and strong security, and excels in large databases with Slack integration and next edit guidance. However, it's not open source and is less customizable. Some users report less detailed explanations, less comprehensive generative UI. And finally, Cline. Its pros included being lightweight, easy to use, and excellent for beginners and basic refactoring. However, it is limited to basic functionality, lacks depth and context awareness compared to Kilo or Augment. So which one wins? Use Cline if you want a straightforward, beginner-friendly coding system, quick setup, focused functionality. Choose Augment Code if you're working large, complex code bases and value enterprise-grade context awareness and security. Go with Kilo Code if you want power, flexibility, open source control, and agent-driven workflows in one customizable package. Pro tip, many developers pair Augment for depth or large projects and Kilo for agentic automation, combining the best of both worlds. So which software are you using? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.